Today, Ethan is gonna do the old lady who swallowed a fly. Wait a minute. Hello, friend.
Hello, friends! Wait. Hello, friends!
Welcome to Ethan's channel where we learn and
Welcome to Ethan's channel where we learn and bring have so much fun!
yes. Okay, Ethan, are you ready to tell the story of the old lady who swallowed a fly? Is that true?
Yes, just like Ethan, just like being by swallowed the fly. Billy is big because
Yeah.
I ate a horse.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, tell us the story.
And once upon a time, there was a little fly buzzing. Oh, there's a lady here.
Is she gonna eat it?
Yes.
Oh no, the old lady's gonna eat a fly?
Yeah. With paper.
There was an old lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed that fly. Now she's gonna swallow what?
Hey,
What is she swallowing now?
I'm a spider, and I have 4 legs, and I can spin like a circle.
Yeah?
Ta-da!
There was an old lady.
Hey, who was the lady who swallowed the fly? Yum 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 yum.
The spider. I don't know why she swallowed the spider.
After that, was the lady who swallowed the bird?
How absurd to swallow the bird.
Was the lady who swallowed the cat? Was the lady who swallowed a dog? Was the lady who swallowed the cow?
Oh, that's a big one. And now?
And what the lady who swallowed a horse? Swallowed a horse.
Whoa, it's not even fitting her mouth.
This is a big horse. What's horse? Yum yum yum.
Okay,
yum.
show the friends the
Hey!
box.
Yum 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 yum.
Burp. And then she burped all the animals out. Take all the animals out. Yay!
Yum yum yum.
Okay, we're gonna do another an old lady who swallowed a fly. Mommy is gonna say the lyrics or the verse, the story, and Ethan is gonna place each of the item where it belongs. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
There was an old lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed the fly.
I'm going to
Yay! This is a great activity because they'll find where it belongs by the shape. It's like a puzzle. Okay, there was an old lady who swallowed.
It's whoa, who is?
What's that? A spider.
Yes.
There was an old lady who swallowed a spider that wriggled and wiggled and tickled inside her. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll die. There was an old lady who swallowed a bird. How absurd to swallow a bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed the fly. Perhaps she'll die. There was an old lady who swallowed a cat.
Wait. Pew, 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 pew. Kitty. He's upside down.
Yeah. Fancy that, she swallowed a cat.
Now next, who walking? Woof, woof. The old lady swallowed a dog. Oh, pew, 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 pew.
There was an old lady who swallowed a dog. What a hog to swallow a dog.
Now.
There was an old lady who swallowed a cow.
What do you belongs? This one?
Yeah, you're right.
Don't be. Moo. And this one? Pew, 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 pew.
There was an old lady who swallowed a horse. Look at all the animals she swallowed. How many animals did she swallow?
He swallowed
Can you count?
one fly, a spider, a bird, a cat, a dog, a cow, and a horse.
And how many animals is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 5.
Count again slowly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7.
Yay! Thank you.
Friends!
Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.
Yeah.
Like
And share
the video for
Ethan.
more. Bye-bye.